In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from Google Drive. Whether you need a single picture or a whole batch, I'll walk you through the fastest, most reliable way to save them to your computer. Start by opening a web browser and heading to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, sign into your account so you can see your files. You'll land on the Drive homepage where you can browse your folders or use the search bar to find the photo you want. Give Drive a second to load thumbnails so you can clearly identify each image. Next, select the photo or photos you want to download. Click once to highlight a single image. If you want several, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking to pick non-adjacent photos, or hold Shift to select a continuous range. You'll see a blue highlight and a count at the top indicating how many items are selected, which is a helpful confirmation before you proceed. With your photos selected, open the More Options menu. Look for the three-dot icon in the toolbar at the top of the page. Clicking it reveals actions available for your selection. You can also right-click directly on the selected photo to see the same menu. Both methods lead to the same options, so use whichever feels natural. Choose Download from the menu. For a single photo, your browser will immediately begin downloading the original file, keeping the same file name and format such as JPG or PNG. When you download multiple photos, Google Drive automatically bundles them into a zip archive to keep everything together. You'll see a brief preparing download message, then your browser will save the file. Depending on your settings, it may ask where to save, or it will go straight to your downloads folder. Wait for the progress indicator to finish before you open the file. If you received a zip, double-click it to extract the images. That's all there is to it. To recap, open Google Drive, select your photo or photos, open More Options and click Download. If a photo won't download, you may not have permission. In that case, you'll need the file owner to allow downloads or share the item with you. Also, large sets can take a while to compress, so be patient and make sure you have enough space on your computer for the files. You now know the simplest way to download photos from Google Drive with confidence.